He's right outside my window and he does not know I'm here. He's a little tiny birdie. Here, bird. Oh, there he goes. It's lunchtime. Time to roll out. Oh, he's back. He's back. Hey, little Bertie. Hey, little Bertie. I'm gonna roll my window down. I got to go to McDonald's. As soon as the window goes down, he's gonna fly away. Watch. Oh. And he's back. And he's gonna fly away. Ah! Oh, let's turn the music on, see if he fly away.
It's the cock and pop when they go. And the women in their head up. Then I got to have it up. Living on hard. In fact, you go sneaky to place the bridge trick. Because it get big. The little the shit and I spend it in the darkness. They said it ain't heartless. So yes, flesh may run in a whole check.
Bye, Bertie.
Shit time now for giving up respect.
Bye, Bertie. He thinks that was a close call. It wasn't. I was not going to hurt you. I'm going to eat you for dinner. I thought, Tweety bird. Where did you go, little birdie? Okay. Gotta go. Bye.